Hey guys, I'm about ready to go to my brother's wrestling game. I don't know what else to say. Let's see if I get footage. We'll probably get it because we usually record my brother's games. Yeah, that's it. I'm just chilling, waiting for my dad to come home. As I almost fall out of the chair. That's fun. Okay, so hopefully we'll cut to the next clip. Otherwise, I would have recorded this for absolutely no reason. Woo!
Go, Chase.
Come on, Chase.
Come on, Chase. Be aggressive. Yeah, roll into it. Roll into it. Good job.
That'd be bad if you burned yourself. Is that right? So that's the end of today's vlog. I'm sorry it was so short. I really didn't have anything else planned. I'm actually just chilling in my Snuggie right now, about ready to go to bed, and probably just gonna edit and upload this and then like totally pass out. So that's the end of Vlogmas day 9. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.